Counselors on Synapse World Pro are licensed, trained, experienced, and accredited psychologists with either a master's degree or a doctorate degree in their field. They all possess at least 3 years and 2,000 hours of hands-on experience. Maria Theresa Saliu is a mental health professional, BSc and MSc in psychology respectively. She's a member of both the British Psychological Society and the American Psychology Society, both with her studies in Nigeria and the United Kingdom. Maria understands the uniqueness of all her clients and knows that one size does not fit all. Every client is approached on an individual basis and a treatment plan is designed for them to make the therapeutic process fulfilling. Maria's therapeutic approaches involve CBT, RABT, understanding of stages of change, mindfulness therapy, and a lot of other approaches. Maria has worked with Synapse for 4 years and a half. She has also gained experience working in the United Kingdom as a healthcare officer for elderly people, a healthcare advisor in one of UK's large pharmacies, and a volunteer in a correctional centre. Working in Synapse, she has hands-on experience in dealing with substance use disorders, anger management, post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, relationship conflict, suicidality, trauma and abuse, amongst other challenges. Meet Moses Tingley. He is a clinical psychologist and a member of the British Psychological Society. He holds a Master of Science and Bachelor of Science in Psychology from the United Kingdom and Nigeria respectively. For him, he believes every client comes with their unique situation and counseling goal. Moses enjoys using an integrative approach that suits each client, as he believes people are unique and so are their challenges. For short and long-term counseling, Moses utilizes cognitive behavior therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, psychodynamic therapy, and mindfulness-based therapies. Moses has worked with Synapse services for more than 2 years. Before then, he had worked with people with learning disabilities in the United Kingdom. He has hands-on experience working alongside people struggling with addiction or substance use, anger, anxiety, relationship conflicts, depression, eating disorders, grief and loss, guilt and shame, life transition, personal growth and meaning, relationship conflict, self-harm and suicide, trauma and abuse. Raphael is a clinical psychologist and a member of the Nigerian Psychological Association. He holds a PhD, Master of Science and Bachelor of Science in Psychology from Nigeria. Ralph employs an eclectic approach to the peculiarity of the case. For short and long-term counseling, Ralph utilizes cognitive behavioral therapy, metacognitive therapy, rational emotive behavior therapy, and mindfulness-based therapies. Ralph is the lead clinical psychologist in Synapse Services. Before then, he worked with people in both local and international organizations where he managed HIV patients with psychological challenges, victims of sexual abuse, gender-based violence and trauma. He has hands-on experience working alongside people struggling with addiction or problematic substance use, post-traumatic stress disorder, psychosis, conduct disorder, anger, anxiety, dysfunctionalities in family, relationship conflicts, self-harm and suicide, trauma and abuse, couples therapy. Dr. Wife is a psychiatrist and a fellow of the West African College of Clinicians. It had a certificate in medicine from the University of Ibadan, a certificate in lifestyle medicine from Harvard Medical School, a certificate from the Beck's Institute of Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. She is also a member of the Association of Psychiatrists of Nigeria. Her core principle in managing patients is the holistic approach to care. She is a core advocate of inculcating lifestyle changes in the delivery of mental health services. Dr. Wife utilizes cognitive behavioral therapy, solution-focused therapy, lifestyle changes therapy. Dr. Wipe has over 8 years experience working in both Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital, Yaba, Synapse Services as well. She has worked with people struggling with addiction, substance use, self-harm and suicide, trauma and abuse, and a host of other. Dr. Daiba Shaibu is a well motivated mental health professional, an internationally certified addiction professional with interest in human behavior, addiction psychiatry, mental health advocacy, and improved access to care. She is a graduate of Ahmadu Bello University Zaria with over 13 years' experience in the medical field. Dr. Shaib loves to work with individuals and families, sharing knowledge on mental health and lifestyle issues. She believes in a world where mental health stigma will be a thing of the past.